Hello and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today I show you, as mentioned in the last video, this is, or was, one of those wall hangers, one of those flintlock pistols you put on your shelf or your living room wall. Way too boring for me. And I turned it into something steampunky, as you can see. On both sides. Yeah, the rail is more like for decoration in this case. And it's ugly, it's bulky, maybe even a bit senseless. Cyberpunk pirate gun, but it's not even steampunk. Even for steampunk, it's too early in time. Those flintlock guns, but still, I love it. I just love it. Bulky and ugly. So am I. Who cares? This is just, one of those things you don't want to face or look into. I love it. Let me know in the comments whether or not you love it. Love it or hate it. Tell me in the comments. And now, let's try out the laser. Beautiful. Yeah, that was bright. I just love torturing them. By the way, the trigger is right here because there was not much space, and I wanted to keep that flintlock still locks in place, and you can release it with a trigger. And I just love oh god, I can see myself putting this on every steampunk thing. I even once again painted on some decals here. Oh yeah, the battery compartment. I have no idea what EL77 means. Well, anyways, for the scope, it's not a real scope, but another chance to put in some cool lights. And I thought it's cool to just transfer the vision of the scope down to the barrel, even more accurate, like in theory, sci-fi theory. It looks cool. That's it for today, guys and girls. Probably mostly guys. Short demonstration. Let me know again. Do you like it or do you hate it? I love it. Very unusual, but I can't always make pretty guns. And next time I show you what I did to this airsoft revolver. I recently played Metro, all of them again, and yeah. I turned this into a very Metro gun, so stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time.